I'm Swindy, and today we got a package. What could it be? All right. The OM3. All right, and the M.Zuiko Digital 25mm 1.8. All right, let's take a look at what's in the package here. Now let's. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, wow. Wow. The first thing I feel is, wow, it's lightweight, but yet solid at the same time. It's got a hot shoe mount up here. Very lightweight. Thumb holder right here, built in. And this is the special function button right there. See, those dials have really nice legible dials. Looks like it's got 5 different custom settings: program, aperture, do your film mode, your still mode. Let's see what else is in here. Here's our battery. Comes with a handy dandy strap. They don't give you a battery charger, but it looks like we charge it by plugging it in with a USB-C. Looks like it has a nice battery release here. Pop. Seems to pop open pretty easy. Then, boom. Lock. I like the idea it has a lock. Looks like you have to push it pretty firm. It's got your screw-in pin for your tripods and stuff. Let's look at our lens. Oh wow, that's a cute little lens. Look at that. It's very tiny. There it is on the inside. Got your contacts. Oh look, this is the color, your choice, where you can do. It's really nice and firm. It doesn't look like it's going to be easy to knock. It's got a nice flip out screen. Seems like you can make it any different angle. So your vloggers out there, you can record yourself. Got a lot of custom buttons here. It's got your S and Q mode, that's for your slow motion, that's cool. Well, thank you for watching. We're gonna figure this camera out, tell you what we think about it in further videos. Feels real light. S and Q is gonna be fun to play with. The graduated ND is gonna be fun to play with. I'm interested to see about the different custom color effects we can play with. If you have any comments or would like us to test anything special, please leave a comment down below. Appreciate it. Talk to you soon.